Asia DeMarcos with Hollywood Beautiful, here to show you how to make your own DIY, do-it-yourself lipid skin lotion. I love making my own lotions. This is my favorite recipe. It is cocoa butter and coconut oil. So you take a quarter cup of cocoa butter. Cocoa butter is great. It is great for chapped lips, sunburn, stretch marks, acne scars. So you take a quarter cup of that. And then next I'm going to add an eighth of a cup of coconut oil. I love coconut oil. It's antibacterial, antimicrobial. It's great for the skin and the body. So you just want to add an eighth a cup of that into my bowl. And then I'm going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. And then you have this nice melted mixture. You're going to place it in a container. It's going to sit overnight. And then the next morning you can enjoy it on your face and body.